Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to place a video behind text in PowerPoint. Begin by launching your PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the program is open, locate the presentation you wish to work with and open it. This will prepare you to add dynamic multimedia elements to your slides. After your presentation is open, navigate to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint toolbar. In this section, you will find the resources necessary to incorporate different types of media into your slides. Look for the option that allows you to add a video and click on it. This action will open a menu where you can select your video source, and in this instance you want to use a video from within the built-in stock video library. Once you have chosen the video option, you will need to locate the stock video section among the available choices. This selection offers professionally produced footage that is ready to use in your presentation. Scroll through the available options until you find the stock footage that fits the theme and style of your presentation. Once you have made your choice, click the Insert option to add the video to your slide. After initiating the video insertion, take a moment to wait while the download completes. Depending on your internet connection and the video file size, this process might take a few moments. It is important to ensure that the video has fully loaded so that you can work with it effectively in your presentation. With the video now embedded on your slide, the next part of the process focuses on adding text that will appear in front of this video backdrop. Return to the Insert tab as you will use one of its many tools to enhance your slide further. This time locate and click on the text box option. This simple yet powerful tool permits you to place editable text anywhere on your slide. After selecting the text box tool, click on the area where you wish to add text. Begin typing to create your message, title, or any explanatory text you need. As you type, you can adjust the font, size, and style to ensure that your text complements the video background and maintains readability. The goal is for your text to stand out while still allowing the background video to add visual interest to the slide. Once your text is in place and you are satisfied with its appearance, direct your attention back to the video element. Using your mouse, right-click on the video. A menu will appear with several options related to the arrangement of objects on your slide. From this menu, choose the option that either sends the video to the back of all other objects or sends it one layer backwards, allowing your text to become the focus in the foreground. This adjustment is crucial for achieving the desired effect of having the video play as a dynamic background behind the text. This comprehensive workflow enables you to seamlessly combine multimedia elements with clear textual content. By carefully following these steps, you will create engaging slides that combine video and text in a professional and visually appealing way. For more detailed guides on similar topics, consider visiting guides available on platforms like Double. Enjoy customizing your PowerPoint presentation with these creative techniques.